Windshield wipers are something that most people don't ever have to worry about until, of course, they're not working. In this video, we're going to talk about which windshield wipers are built specifically for your car and how you can get the best and longest lasting windshield wipers so you don't have to go through this process more often than absolutely necessary. Companies like Trico, Bosch, and Rain-X, along with many others, make a wide range of different models of wipers, usually at different tiers of performance or longevity. For example, Trico's lineup of beam wiper blades includes the Neoform, Onyx, and Max models listed in order of price, performance, and longevity. So we go from the Neoform, which is an excellent performance beam style wiper blade, to the Onyx, which is a premium beam blade designed with more weather resilience for all climates and this aerodynamic fin to ensure that the wiper isn't displaced at higher speeds. Finally winding up at the Max, which is Trico's top of the line, cutting edge silicone premium beam blade, engineered to last 3 times as long as previous designs using a silicone blade design. Now, every single one of these models is available in a variety of sizes, usually measured by inches. Luckily, Advance Auto's website will tell you exactly which wiper is the perfect fit for your vehicle. All you have to do is input your make and model information, and the website will tell you all of the different options that are available for your vehicle. In this case, we're looking for blades for a late model F-150, which calls for 2 22-inch wiper blades. Oftentimes, you'll see vehicles that call for a different size wiper blade on each side, driver and passenger side. This is no problem since wipers are sold individually for this exact purpose. So over the course of this video, you've probably heard me talk about beam wiper blades a couple of different times, and now is a great time to talk about the 3 different styles of windshield wiper blades. So compared to the traditional style wiper blade, which uses a metal bracket, which a rubber blade is attached to, beam wipers feature no metal and are designed to conform to the curvature of windshields. Beam wiper blades have multiple pressure points all throughout the arm, which allows it to have maximum contact along the entire length of the wiper. There are also hybrid wipers, which combine the metal bracket of standard wipers with the pressure points of beam wipers and cover the metal bracket in a plastic cover. So, kind of goes in an order of good, better, best, with beam style wiper blades definitely being the most effective at dissipating water off of your windshield and also the most resistant to extreme temperatures. 360-degree visibility isn't complete without a rear wiper. Over 40% of vehicles on the road today have a rear wiper, and Advance Auto carries exact fit replacements for many of these applications.